To me, fishing is about family. It's about making that connection and sharing our love of nature. I see the look on my son's face when he catches a fish, and it's amazing. There's so much wonder, so much joy. It's the same excitement I still feel when I go to a new lake or pond. It's a challenge every time. What are the fish biting today? I love to figure that out. Fishing is for everyone. You're never too young or old, and it's a great way to spend time together. It's also really easy. You get a license, know the rules, and keep your gear in your car. That's it. You're always ready for the next adventure. Plan a trip and get your fishing license today at wildlife.utah.gov.